Hi guys, welcome again. My name is Khalil Abdul. With me, I have direction with a given plan. Okay, our mission is to find the direction of A, B, and C and D. Okay, so let's start with direction of A, which is equal to this one. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so this is the direction of A. 2/3, 1/3, 2/3. Here is 1/3. So we have to just find the direction of A. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so your origin must always be 0 for you to find the direction. Very easy, using head and tail. Subtract tail from head. Okay, so let us start. And here it is Z, and here it is Y, and here it is X. All they are positive. So for you to find the direction of tail, here is tail and here is head. So for you to get the direction of tail, nothing concerned with the head. So let's start with tail. Okay, so for the tail, here is our tail. So for the X is infinity 0, for the Y is 0, and Z goes 2/3. Therefore X is 0, Y is 0, and Z is 2/3. So for the tail, for the direction of head, for the head, this is our head, and if you go 1 for X and 1 for Z and 1/3 for Z, 1 for X, 1 for Y, and 1/3 for Z, it will give you the tail. Let's trace: 1 for X, 1 for Y, 1/3 for Z, 1, 1/3. Okay, so just subtract head minus tail will equivalent to 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1/3 minus 2/3, 1/3 minus 2/3, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 1, 3, 2, which is equal to 1/3. Okay, but minus by 1/3. Okay, so the direction will be times, we can just multiply by 3 in order to simplify. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1/3 will be by 1. So this is the direction for A. So for the direction of V, here you can just draw B. Here is our A. Okay, for the direction of B, very simple. For you to understand, you must pay your attention. So for the B direction is like this. Okay, it's like this, and here is 2/3, and here is 1/2. Okay, so the same procedure. Here is our tail, and here is our head. Okay, very simple. If you pay your attention, it's very simple. Okay, so for the tail, so here is our origin also. So always this, I remind you, always your origin must to be at the center. Here is Z, and here is Y, and here is X. Okay, so for you to go the direction of tail, so you have to be very carefully. Let's trace. Our aim is to go here. So what do you do to go here? Okay, so it's very simple. So here it will go 1/2, and here you will go 1, and here will go 1. Or we can say for the Z to go 1, for the Y to go 1, and for the X to go 2/3. So for the X is 2/3, since for the Y Z1, Y1, and X is 2/3. Yes. Okay, so the direction of head will be, you have to pay attention. Here is our head, so you need to go for head. Here is our 0 also, so you can now say here for Y is 1, and for Z is 1/2. That is, for Y is 1, for the X is 0, for the Y is 1, for the Z is 1/2. So 0, 1, 1/2. So just subtract head minus tail will equivalent to 0 minus 2/3 will be 2/3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Half minus 1 is by half. So we need to multiply it by 6 in order to remove fraction. So here will be direction will be 2/3 times 6 will be 4/4. 0 times 6 is 0. Half times 6 is by 3. So that is the direction of B. So for the direction of C, is very simple. What you need is to just pay your attention. Okay, let's draw the C. For C, Okay, so for the C, it like this. Half, and here is 1/3. So from here, this is our head, tail, and this is our head. So as I said, the origin must be here. This is what Z, Y, and this is X. Okay, so very simple. So from here we can now say that tail is equal to, for the tail, since here you need to go for this tail, you need to do anything that makes you to go for this tail. If you think very carefully, from here this is 0. If you go Z1, X1 is wrong. But what about if you go here 1 for X, and for Z is 1/3. For X is 1, for Z is 1/3. For the Y, this is Y is infinity, 0. So for the head, for the head, this is our head. Be careful, this is our head. So we can say that here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. It can't give you this head. But what about if you go for half? Since you see what half, double half. So here is half, and here is 1, and here also is half. Half, 1, half. Or you can say half, 1, half. Yes, that is. So for the X is half, for the Y is 1, for the Z is half. Half, 1, half. Yes. Okay, so head minus tail will give you half minus 1 will give you half. 1 minus 0, 1. 1/2 minus 1/3 will give you 1/6. Must multiply by 6. Okay, so our direction will be half times 6 is 3/3. 1 times 6 is 6, and 1/6 times 6 is 1. So that is the direction for C. So for the direction of D, it's very simple. This is direction of D. For D, okay, so the direction of D will be like this. Here is double half, comma double half, and here is half. So for D, this is also have, this is our tail and this is our head. So body tail direction, this is your origin, z, x and y. So here goes 1 over 2. Very simple. Just be careful. You need to go for the direction of tail. So here is 1.5. So no x. So x is infinity. Y is infinity. X is 1 over 2 and x is 1. Sorry. And z is 1 over 2. For the head, the direction will be, this is your head, will be half z is infinity, half z is infinity. So head minus tail will be equal to half minus half by half, half minus 0, half, and 1 minus half by half, and times 2. Direction of will be by 1 by 1. So this is the final solution. Don't forget to subscribe to Tronics at YouTube for more videos regarding physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's tronics. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.